Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming the Geonix adapter model and the operating system version so you download the right driver. Once done, plug the adapter into a powered USB port. Make sure administrative access is available to install software. If possible, disconnect competing USB-Y devices to prevent interference. Now open Device Manager or System Preferences to spot a new unknown device. That presence tells you the hardware is visible and ready for the next step, which is installing the driver and utility. Install the driver using the Geonix installer you downloaded for your OS, or use the built-in driver update if you prefer. This ensures firmware compatibility. When the installer prompts, allow firewall and network permissions so the utility can manage connections. After installation, restart the system if requested. This clears driver locks and finalizes registration. Once rebooted, open the Geonix utility and perform an initial scan to show nearby SSIDs so you can select the correct network and set to. To finish, choose your SSID in the Geonix app, enter the network password, and confirm whether DHCP or a static IP is required. This step makes sure you get a valid address and internet access. Once connected, run a brief speed test and monitor RSSI or signal bars in the utility to verify link quality. If you encounter problems, try the key troubleshooting tip. Replug the adapter, reinstall the driver, and test a different USB port. These actions resolve most connection and power negotiation issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.